My fellow Americans, this is Nora speaking to you all for the final time. This is an emergency action notification number 3 black card. This is not a test, I say once again. This is not a test. It is really important to pay attention because this is pertaining to an ongoing global state of emergency. The 4 desserts have now reached at its maximum level. The desserts are now using all of its attacks at once in every country of the world. It is believed that these attacks have hit these countries in Mexico, Canada, Japan, the United Kingdom, Australia, and of course the United States. We have a force of military power as well as our old allies to fight these desserts, but they are just too powerful. They used a lot of powerful attacks on all of our food weapons. We've also tried sending the creepers from Minecraft, but that didn't work as planned and they were killed instantly. I'm afraid to say this, but all attempts have failed, and there is no other way to stop the desserts. Wrath. The desserts are now using all of its power of levels as this world continues to fall apart. Ladies and gentlemen, I hate to say this, but it is the end of the world. There's no reason to remain calm, go into panic mode. All residents in the entire United States and the rest of the world are now urged to gather with their loved ones and pray our final moments together. Pray to your God or gods if you are a part of a religious group and repent. Thank you for your existence on this planet. It has been a great planet for about 19 billion years, and now it will soon be a wasteland. I'm now going to conclude this final broadcast with one last playing of our national anthem. After that, all television radio stations will shut down. This is Nora speaking on behalf of the presidential representative of the President of the United States, signing off for the final time. Goodbye, and may God bless you all during our final hours on beloved planet Earth.